Hi, my name is Leo Murphy. I'm farming approximately 400 acres here at Kilcock, County Kildare. It's just outside Dublin, Ireland. I'm farming a mix of commercial suckler cows and also pedigree Angus. I purchased this yard back in 2004, and as you can see, it's as good as the day I bought it. This is the Te Pari Titan air-assisted crush. The air-assisted model is a new addition to this farm, and all its features can be controlled remotely by this handheld controller. The yard has numerous entry points for the stock to enter. There's 2 points coming from the pastures, and there's one access from the barn. The cattle enter the pens, and the whole yard is based on a circular system because cattle travel naturally around corners. They enter one pen, they go on to the next pen that gets gradually smaller, so it's easier to coax them into the sea-forcing pen. The sea-forcing pen has a circular door that pivots around, and it gradually gets smaller and smaller, so the cattle choose to take the easy way out and come down the curved race. They come up to an air-assisted door that I can open remotely. I let one animal in at a time, I close it, and it stops the animals crowding the chute or bursting in on top of one another, which leads to less stress on the animals when you're weighing or doing any of the other jobs you do. When they enter the squeeze chute, you can weigh them. You have the option of having an EID reader, so it automatically reads them. You can program your weigh clock for certain doses, vaccinations, and any other medical jobs that you want to record for quality assurance or anything else. Once they're in this crush, you can squeeze in the sides to restrain the animal and give it less movement, which leads to less stress on the animal. The headbell is operated remotely, and the animal can be restrained on it. The race only puts the amount of pressure needed to restrain the animal and no more, so the animal is in absolutely no stress or detriment or danger. To the front of the air-assisted Te Pari Titan, there is a 3-way drafting module. This is capable of drafting manually or automatically, whatever way the operator chooses to do it. I generally operate it with the remote control from a distance away. The Te Pari Titan air-assisted has enabled me to run my business more efficiently. It's enabled me to make decisions there and then in the yard at my ease with very little stress to the animals. I think it's added to my bottom line. It's also added to reducing stress to the operator and the animals. Before I bought the Te Pari, I looked around at the competition. They all had their merits, but there was none had the quality and ease of operation and the practicality that the Te Pari had. And I'm glad I made the decision to buy the Te Pari air-assisted Titan.